Good morning, everybody. It's about 15 after 7. Woke up about 7 o'clock. Well, a little bit after. Woke up earlier, but it was raining and I wasn't about to pack up. So I went back to sleep. But yeah, today we got Chestnut knob and a bunch of little up and downs after that. But after we leave, pack up, it's about a 5-mile climb. But yeah, anyways, hope you all have a great day, and I'll get back to y'all once we get back over yonder to the trail. Alright, good morning everybody. 8 o'clock, it's 57 degrees, and we're just up and going. Not exactly sure how far we're going today, but we'll get somewhere. It's supposed to be pretty today, so shouldn't get rained out and thunder and lightning everywhere today. So that's gonna be good. Feel really rested. Yeah, I think my body just needed that. Just taking a rest day. Because I feel a whole lot better now. But yeah, can thank Mother Nature for that. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all have a great day. And let's get on down the trail. Got 4.4 to the top of Chestnut Knob. Absolutely beautiful. What's up everybody? So just leaving Chestnut Knob, sit out there at that view and took about a 30-40 minute break, ate lunch, and yeah, now
Now we're just going to head down to Walker Gap and hopefully that spring gets flowing. Steep. What's up, everybody? So, just got up from taking a break. Gone 10.5 so far. It's about 2:30. Rocky. Yeah, feet's starting to get a little bit sore, so next water is like, we've been like 15 miles total for today. And my feet just ain't ready for that. So I'm going into Burkes Garden Hostel tonight. I'll make it for like a 12, almost 13 mile day, I think. Or 12, I don't know. But yeah, that's the plan for today. What's up, everybody? So I'm at Burkes Garden Hostel. They just opened this place up like 2-3 days ago. Like, the only hikers that's been here is on that wall. They opened up 420 and there's just been that many hikers. But yeah, this place is awesome. You have showers, bathrooms, showers. There's somebody in there, so I can't show you. And then they're still working on the place, so there still ain't a handrail here. But you go upstairs, and this is up here. I'm gonna be right over there. But you have it laid out good. Wall outlet. They're like perfect. So like anybody needs a charge, they got one right there at it. And look at the view from here. I tell you, Burkes Garden is one beautiful place. Everything's just so green here. But yeah, anyways, go ahead and end it for today. But I left that campsite there at Lit Creek. Now I'm got off at VA 623 and come here to Burkes Garden Hostel. It was 12.2 miles. And I got done about 4 o'clock. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all had a great day. Have an even better night. I'll get these videos uploaded and I will get back to y'all. And I will talk to y'all in the morning.